In this video we're going to look at how to set up a welder so you can cut steel plate with it. A handy little trick to use if you haven't got an oxy or a grinder available. First thing we need to do is turn our welder to the absolute maximum. That's 180 amps on this little welder, and we're using 7016 low hydrogen rods. I've tried using general purpose 6013 rods as well. They don't work that great. Another thing is you've got to wet the electrode. I don't know exactly what it does. It seems to help hold the flux on and stop the rod from just blowing apart. So basically what we're going to do is set the job up like you're going to weld something, whether you scribe a line, draw a line, or we're using a plate to cut against. You put your wet electrode in and then you basically drag it along where you want to cut, and it'll cut relatively neat. It'll cut all size plate up to about 4mm. This is 4mm mild steel. Once you go past that thickness, it does struggle to cut. As you can see, it cuts reasonably straight for something that's not meant to cut. Definitely not something you can use normally, but if you're out in the paddock or the field and you've got nothing, this can get you out of trouble. So we tried on our generator welder and put up to 220 plus amps, and this time we're cutting a circle, same size plate, 4mm thick, same electrode, 3.2mm low hydrogen. Yep. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more bush mechanic tricks like this, let me know in the comment section below.